Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Finally, Bitcoin at 31.8k that we were talking about so long. Before we continue, I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are, and we are going to see Aave. Also, do not forget to join our monthly subscription to find best buying entries and shorting positions as well. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. Aave against USDT chart. Look at that. It has gone parabolic on the 4-hour frame, and of course what is the best rate here is that we do not care so much about the risk metrics. Of course we are going to correct, of course we are going to have a normal healthy correction, but at the end of the day look at how high risk we have, and Aave doesn't care. Green candlesticks forming while we have a greatly high risk. This is strength. Okay, this shows that the altcoin has the strength needed to move even higher, and possibly in smart money has gone into Aave right now. We'll be explaining further details about Aave. Let's go a little bit to Bitcoin chart. Right here you can see 31.8k, 31.771 actually is a very huge resistance level. We closed a little bit below, and right now if we close above, then things will go perfectly fine. We are just waiting for this. If we cannot close above though, then do not expect something great. And if we find rejection, then we can go further down. I'm expecting that we might be going down to 30.6k as well. But let's go and see a little bit Aave against Bitcoin chart. Okay, this chart might look a little bit bearish to you, right? Especially if I go to the regular scale, look at how bearish it is. So we are going further down. We have this high right here. We are going further down, having lower lows, lower highs. I'm going again to the logarithmic scale. It is looking better. Okay, but what do we have is something secret, and it is something that many people haven't seen. It is the higher low on the RSI. This higher low movement with the lower low on the weekly frame and the lower lows in the price. This is something that is crazily good, and this is something that it could pump Aave against Bitcoin chart up 100%. What that means is that if you hold any Bitcoin, it is better to transfer it to Aave. Okay, so right here, Aave against Bitcoin chart is going to move fast up higher, and is going up to the higher targets and the higher numbers. I'm expecting for Aave against Bitcoin chart to do something very nicely and crazy. I'm expecting it to go even to the 0.204968, to the 0.2062 around there, and maybe to the 0.207655. This is a crazily nice 32%, 64%, and 100%. I think that we can go there. We are forming constantly from 6 December 2021 higher lows. Smart money have seen that, and we are going to go all the way upwards. Okay, even on the daily frame that right now we have a little bit of a high risk with the commodity channel index, do not worry about that. I believe that definitely daily RSI will be going above the 70 as well. So fantastic stuff for Aave. Yeah, these corrections right here are very normal, do not worry about them, but Aave will be going insanely parabolic. Right now we are finding a little bit of a huge resistance level. That's why we couldn't go even higher, and we struggled a little bit here, but do not worry about that. Aave against USDT right there. On the weekly frame we have a very nice bullish RSI divergence as well, coming in from 7 March towards the 9 May. The only problem with Aave against USD chart is if BTC, for example, could not get past above the 31.8k and we cannot close above, then probably Aave won't be seeing this major movement against USD chart. Aave against Bitcoin chart pair though is something different, and it will still keep going higher, but Aave against USD chart might be struggling a little bit. Look at BTC right now. It is holding good. We didn't have this bearish candlestick that we expected, and we are going good with the high risk that we are having. Although until we get to close above the 31.8k, I would suggest you to remain outside a little bit so we can get clear vision, because right here you can see that if we go to the baseline, look at that on the weekly frame, this is the line that connects and the bullish actually part with the bearish part, right? So you can see this line right here connects the bullish cycle, the bullish market actually with the bearish market. Okay, this one right here with this down there. So that's why I'm waiting as well. But Aave is looking incredibly strong. Aave against USDT, Aave against Bitcoin chart, they are looking insane. Trust me on that and mark my words for the next weeks. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription to find out best buying entries we had for Aave, best buying entry right here around where we have right there, and of course Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.